Hello Squiz, this is Squiv here with another Unity 3D tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be continuing raycasting. So I'm going to make it so if you get too far in the monster's sight, then you play the dead thing. You play dead. Now I went ahead and I took away the, if you get too close to it, then you die, and that's because we're gonna have a new method of dying. So I'm gonna go away from the kind of slender, slender type of gameplay, because that's actually, I will get to that. I will do that, but I'm going to do more of an amnesia. Amnesia, Dark Descent, Machine for Pigs type of monster. So eventually what we're going to have it randomly spawns. I forgot how to, I think F, I don't, oh, God. What? I don't know what happened. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna have it so the monsters are randomly spawning, they run into walls, and they, turn around. I think, I'm not gonna do a total makeover of the scene, but they follow you, and if they hit a wall, they go in your general direction, right? They go in your general direction, but if they hit a wall, they turn around, they go, they turn around 90 degrees, or they go 180 degrees, they go a certain amount of degrees, until they hit another wall, and then they turn around again, and they just kind of keep going around, but they turn to follow you, so they will always follow you. They're monsters. So, they're little monsters. Anyways, let's continue. Yeah, it is F. Anyways, I guess I hit all of them. So what we need to do is we need to copy this. Every good coder knows the magic of copy and pasting. We need to copy that over. That is hit. I changed this. This was originally a little lowercase h. I changed it to an uppercase h, just for convenience. I don't know what that is. That's an if statement. If. And get rid of that. Application dot load level 1. And we should probably change that down to about 5. Or no, a good line of sight. There we go. So let's go back to here, and if we run this, it's going to be a bit different. Actually, I don't think they're going to be amnesia monsters. I mean, I've played Amnesia. Those monsters are pretty well AI'd. Whatever. But they're pretty well AI'd. That's the new word. They're pretty well AI'd, and they're kind of hard to replicate. Outlast has a similar concept. It is indubitably not working. Oh, wait, let's go here. Let's hit F. You're dead. Well, that was odd. Okay, then. We'll worry about that later. Not this episode. So, yes, here's the problem. No. Now, if you remember a while ago when we were doing enemy AI, we set the tag of the FPS controller to player. Let's change that back to player. Actually, I think if we want, we can just make that lowercase player, and I'll show you how to do that because that's an important skill. So what I did is, this isn't automatically there. I created this a while ago, and the way it was just untagged, all that up to clue, no player. So in order to create the tag player, what I did is I go to add tag. So there wasn't an element 3. There is just element 0, 1, and 2. And element 2 was, it looked like element 3 does now. And what I did is I typed in something. Oh god, that was weird. What did I just do? No, I just get rid of these elements. I don't want them. You're not welcome here. Alright, there. Here, I typed in something, right? Like H. But we don't want that. So that's just kind of an example, right? I typed in that, and instead of typing in H, I typed in player. Pretty self-explanatory. I can move on. Okay, right. So, once we've done that, we can go here, and this should work perfectly. Okay. Yeah, so the reason why I was playing the dead script is because I was forcing the mob to look at the clues, and then once it did that, it would run the dead script. So that's what was going wrong. Also, maybe it wasn't playing. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I've been doing a lot more Java tutorials. I'm going to start doing computer vision with C++, and that's actually a pretty fun topic if you really like computers. Okay. So we're still not really getting a response. So if we go here, we have to look through this. First off, is it even raycasting? Ray shoot direction ray, dot transform ray color dot cyan. Oh no. If we go here, because I didn't actually see a raycast. It doesn't seem to be raycasting anything. And I was hoping we could change this. Oh wait, you know what? I know what the problem is. I know what the problem is. I know what the problem is. If we go to cube, you will realize, and this is a very dumb mistake, there is no raycast. We've just got to. I'm sorry, it's been so long since I've done anything with Unity. So long. Okay. There we go. We've done that. And let's actually turn the look speed down. No, oh, not up. That would be like impossible. Oh, we don't have float because it's not a float. It's great. Perfect. Let's just run. Let's just run and see what happens. Nothing. Holy crap, that was bad. He's about to do something. He's about to say something. I know that for a fact because I was annoying him earlier today. I was annoying him so much. Aha, there we go. Now we got a nice little raycast going. And if we run into it, yeah, you see that? You see the magic it did there? You see that? Okay, so that's if you get into its line of sight. Now, in the next tutorial, we're going to add in walls, give them nice bump maps or diffuse. I'm going to make it bump maps. I'm going to actually bump map this in Unity, or yes, I'm going to bump map it. So we're going to make bump mapped walls and make it so the player can collide, or no, not the player, the enemy can collide with the walls, and kind of turn away when it does that. And when it turns away, it'll turn back to the player. And if no, actually, you know what'd be cooler? Because I can do this. We can make it so it only activates enemy AI if you get seen. So once you get seen by the enemy, it chases you around, and it plays a sound, and starts playing drumming music. And then, once, if you get, too close to it, if it catches up to you, you die. So I think that's what we're going to do next tutorial. Thank you for watching, Squids. Watch my be sure to check out my Java tutorials, and soon to come computer vision tutorials. By soon to come, I mean like later today. And I will see you in the next Unity 3D tutorial. Please check out the channels of the other Squids. Like, subscribe, all that jazz, and au revoir.